name's Liv and welcome to this week's Geeksvana update.
Geeksvana is your drone channel.
We have a few stories to get through this week, including some pretty awesome drone footage. Remember to get your latest drone news, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get to it. First up, many people in the UK have been finding some pretty inventive ways to thank the NHS and wider care community for being frontline during this crisis. Professional drone pilot Barnaby Newell teamed up with local farmers organised by John Govier and Matthew Alford to bring about a pretty large thank you to our key workers. This footage was captured by Crop Kestrel. A link to their site is in the description. Next up, and some pretty dramatic looking drone footage of Bournemouth Airport in the UK, where British Airways have parked up a portion of their fleet for storage, well, until more active times. This footage was shot by David Duval and was carried out with permission and authorisations from the airport tower and unlocking his DJI drone. This is such a rare glimpse at the impact on the economy which is happening right now across the globe. We want to congratulate David for managing to document such an historically rare type of footage. Next, the Twitter account for North Yorkshire Police Drones has been showing how drones can be used to assist in accident investigations, giving an aerial view of the crash scene, providing unique, essential data and quite a unique perspective for investigating officers. The tweet, the disturbance of debris on the path the car took prior to the collision, could be evidenced in the photos. It is great to see drones being used in such a positive way, and our thoughts go out to those involved on the ground. As an update, North Yorkshire Police informed Geeksvana that both drivers were convicted of offences at court. Naughty. Are you stuck in at lockdown at the moment and missing the opportunity to soar through the open skies? Why not take a leaf out of our professional drone pilot Sebastian Godsmark's book and practice your flying around the house skills? Using his Mobula 6 Tiny Whoop, Sebastian captured this crazy footage of his house and garden as the drone zipped around the obstacles, including one surprise and very playful looking dog. It was a great way to keep your skills up and still enjoy the hobby. Back to Twitter and use of police drones. This time it's Lincolnshire Police using their Boston drone unit to provide important backup to their colleagues in the fire service. The use of the drone at the major fire burning at Johnston Garden Centre allowed for assessment of dangers such as location of gas bottles, thus keeping emergency service workers safe. Oh, go on then while I'm here. Don't forget to get more of this face on my TikTok and my Instagram page under LibMarie_X. Join in with the crazy. And don't forget that you can choose the name for this weekly show instead of Geeksvana Weekly Drone News Update, which doesn't exactly roll off the tongue. To enter, simply comment below and let us know your idea for a new name. As well as bragging rights, you will win a Geeksvana t-shirt. Still haven't got one.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No in the seat. Come back next week, okay?